Hi everyone, Dan Baca from DBaca Maker here, and today is an unboxing video, a mail call unboxing video. It's something that I've been expecting for a while, and it has come to me, well, you'll see. Okay, I think they told me it's right there. Pardon the wind, it is still stormy out here. I don't know what this is. It's been a while coming. You took great care of making it. You can see this now comes to me from the Sprinkled Donut Forge to DBaca Maker. Oh, I don't know why I'm suddenly gone Texan. This is from the Sprinkled Donut Forge, James Duncan, and it's to me, Daniel Baca, DBaca Maker. And I know what this is. And I also wanted to show that it did, in fact, arrive mostly intact. James sent me a picture of the box when he sent it. And it's pretty much survived. Mega bubble wrap! Yay! And there, oh. This is the mallet that he gave me as the second place prize for the Make a Mallet Challenge in 2020. Oh, look at that beauty. Wow, that's gonna have some fun. It's got my name on the back of it and everything. I'm gonna have some fun with that. That one's going right there with my other one. I can't find my... So now I got my joiner's mallet, I got this, I got my carving mallet, but he also sent me a couple of other things. Let me see. He sent me the railroad spike that he had drawn way out. This is a blacksmith's back scratcher. Oh, man. And some business cards, Sprinkled Donut Forge, and with his email address on it, so that's going to be distributed out here. And another farrier's rasp. Look at that beauty. That goes with the one that I've got. I don't see a note in here or anything like that, so... Oh, look at that. Nice. So I have to say, the biggest surprise that came to me was this. James had a while back been going through our Facebook family tree group, talking about how he was going to modify a railroad spike. He didn't know what to make with it. And I said a back scratcher, and he made a back scratcher. You can see the spike head there, and he really stretched this out. This is like, I don't have a way of measuring it right now. For some reason, I can compare it to my other back scratcher. You know, look at that. There we go. There we go. That was a lot of fun. And the rasp that he sent me is high quality. It's an old style, solid, high carbon steel. And I could use that for woodworking, no problem, but I've got some ideas. Not kniffs, but we'll see. I might just end up, and I probably will just end up using it as a rasp because it's so fantastic. So thank you very much to James Duncan at the Sprinkled Donut Forge for your very generous gift. I really do love, and I have it out in the kitchen right now, the mallet. I really love the mallet. That is really beautiful wood, and it's so beautifully made. Thank you so much. All right, until the next video, thank you very much. Have a great day.